Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Blink Sync module that is not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply take a look at the LED and you need to understand what it is actually trying to tell you. So over here, if you are seeing this type of flashing light and if this particular light is blue and solid green, it simply means that the blue sync module is ready for the setup. But if you see this type of red light, it means that there is no internet connection. If there is no green light, it means the router or the power issue is there. And if you see the blinking red light repeatedly, it means Wi-Fi authentication problem is there. So you don't need to skip this particular step, as this is going to basically tell you what's actually wrong with the system. So during the setup, you just have to simply place the sync module right beside your router and not across the house. The blink modules are surprisingly sensitive during the initial handshake process. So a setup that fails in one room often works instantly beside the router, especially on the mesh Wi-Fi systems. So once it is connected, you can just simply move it back later. Now, if the issue still persists in your case, you can just try this third method, in which you need to make sure that your phone doesn't jump back to the mobile data. So this one causes tons of failed blink setups. So while connecting, you need to make sure that you disable your mobile data temporarily and stay connected on the same Wi-Fi network the sync module is joining. Now, some of the phones automatically switch away from the weak setup networks during pairing, which breaks the blink connection process halfway through. So you can try these easy fixes one by one and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.